What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our series on FlexBox. I remain seller of Digit Base. Let's get on with this together. I want us now to proceed to the next phase in our web page design. But as an aside, I want us to get introduced to lists in HTML, or you may call it HTML lists, which is a means of arranging items or data in an orderly form. For instance, let me show you something on this mockup right here. You see this about us, contact HP, careers, investor relations, and all this. This is a list of items. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 items in this list, and the heading for this list or subheading for this list using a H4, H3 is about us. Then this is yet another list titled ways to buy. The list comprises, you can either call it HP rep, find a reseller, integrator, just like that. About 4 items in this list. And the lists for support, about 6 items in this list, and just like that. So it is pertinent for us to get introduced to what lists are in HTML and how to get them marked up and styled in our web pages or websites. Let's head over to our code editor to get that done. Right on the HTML side of our code editor, we're going to introduce a new section and give it a class name of lists. Section.list. In here, we're going to build in the 2 main lists that we'll encounter in web design as we proceed, which is the unordered lists and the ordered lists. Let's begin with unordered lists. We'll give it a heading of unordered lists. To create an unordered list, you begin with the UL tag, U for unordered and L for lists, and close also with a /UL. Then to list out the individual items that constitute the list, you use the LI tag. Let's first see what we have on our browser at this moment. Okay, just the label of unordered lists. You know what? Let's style this list section so that it would align with the X coordinates properly. We go over, this section has a class name of lists. So you could just use the class name .lists. Let's set the padding to 82 pixels. The padding of 82 pixels has gotten it to align a bit. You're seeing just one bullet. It represents these LI tags we have here. Alright. So what's an example of an unordered list? Let's just say list of fruits. Apple, another LI, mango, another one, orange. What other fruit do you know about? Watermelon. What other one do you know about? Cherry. Okay, let's have it at that. You can now see the list of fruits displayed with a bullet. So there is no numbering. That is why it's called unordered lists, just bullets. For our purpose, I want us to give this section a different background color. Our section, let's give it a background color, some kind of light background color, aquamarine. There we go. This is our section, the list section, the background color of aquamarine, containing our first unordered lists of fruits. Let's quickly proceed on next to the ordered lists. Ordered lists. To create an ordered list, you need a pair of OL tags, O for ordered, L for lists. And as usual, just as it is with the listing of items, we use LI tags. What instance of ordered lists can we think of? Well, let's say, what do you do when you wake up in the morning? The first thing you do is pray. The next thing you do, you brush your teeth. Then you have, Control B. Then you have your bath. What next? You could just put on your clothes, you know, after which you could put on your shoes and head out straight off the door. See what we have on the browser right now? Good. These are unordered lists signified by bullets, and then an ordered list that is numbered in sequence. First thing you do is pray, second thing you brush your teeth, bath, put on your clothes, and then your shoes. So this just shows a general overview of how we can include list items in our HTML markup for our web page. There is no point giving it too much of styling right now. Let's just proceed to apply it for the footer section of this website or web page of ours. Let's reference the mockup we have for our design. This right here with a black background is the footer section of this website. Alright, we're going to be applying the listing technique we just learned a moment ago to structure items on this footer section. Let's proceed with this on the next episode of our FlexBox series.